A lot of people fail this math challenge due to some basic algebra error, while some other people might try to solve this in a very smart way by forcing out a factorization. Because when we factor out -1 in the denominator, we'll be forced to have -3 plus k in the denominator. Yes, because -1 times -3 gives us 3, and -1 times k gives us -k. And then they go ahead to rearrange this so as to get -1 into brackets k minus 3, and this equals 1. But then at the end of the day, they go ahead to cross out k minus 3, and then they are left with 1 over -1 equals 1, which is -1 equals 1. And now this is an error. But here we are going to be using a very different method to solve this challenge. 3 minus k equals 1. So here we are going to try to cross multiply this, and then after cross multiplying this, we end up with k minus 3 equals 3 minus k. And then when we transpose, we have k plus k equals 3 plus 3. And then we have 2k equals 3 plus 3 gives us 6. And then we go ahead to divide both sides by 2. Then after doing that, we have k to be equal 3. Now, is that a valid solution? Let us test that out. Let us substitute k equals 3 into this equation. We'll say that we're going to have 3 minus 3 divided by 3 minus 3. Now, with this equal 1, let us try it out. 3 minus 3 gives us 0, divided by 3 minus 3 gives us 0. Oh no, here is a mathematical error. We can't divide by 0. This is extraneous. Then it means that k equals 3 is not a valid solution. And since this is not a polynomial, it means k equals 3 is the only solution that we can come up with, but then it is extraneous and rejected. Therefore, it means that this does not have any valid real solution. And guys, is there anything I'm missing? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe and always have fun solving maths. Have a good day.